Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're attacking a truck that needs a lot of work, a customer of mine. Gotta really watch when we're fabricating and welding. A little tip, because it's not good when you catch fire. So we're just doing some rear wheel weld and actually cab corner, and we gotta do outer rocker, inner rocker, and pretty much the same on both sides. So we're just grinding, and so we got a cab corner welded in. You can see the rocker there, but amazing that even through here, which you think in behind it, and I'm not sure if the paint caught fire or on the because it's a pre-painted cab corner, right? Still had to be fitted, but yeah, little scary. As you can see, the water, and I got my lovely, well, the hose here somewhere. Where's my hose? Here it is. I mean, it's funny, but it's not funny. But anyways, I see some smoke inside the cab, and I'm going, wait a second, I can smell something. But anyways, got it sorted out. So now we're just gonna kind of have a peek. So this is, we got that all welded up. So this, we had to cut it a little bit because it was flaring out away from the side to be welded. Then of course we're going to extend down, and then we got to do the little bit of the inner rocker and outer rocker, but it turned out fairly nice. They're a bit of a pain because, again, you're underneath. If you got a hoist, probably a little bit easier, but I prefer working on the ground actually. But yeah, again, a little warning, got to be careful. I guess the heat from here warmed up something from the back, and of course I sprayed water and then took the molding off, and yeah, so sometimes we rush trying to get things done because there's a lot of work. But probably not good if you catch a customer's vehicle on fire and then your building's on fire. So anyways, word to the wise. So I'm gonna, of course, should have taken the molding off and then had the back all taken out, but I guess I was a little bit lazy because, again, the heat penetrated right through here and in the back here, right through into the cab. At least that's what I'm assuming, or maybe the paint, but maybe you guys can help me out, leave a comment. But wow, that's it for so far. Lots of work on this one. It's both sides, but cab corner from Amazon, cheap. I think $93 for the pair. So rather than trying to fabricate that piece, kind of comes all pre-molded, and when you close the door too, it's oh, now my door doesn't want to close. So I got it going here. There we go, nice and fit, perfect. So we just got to grind that, get some body work on there, paint it up, and ooh-ah. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll continue on with more. We've got to get that rear wheel well done, fabricate a piece up there, the inner outer rocker, and we'll keep plugging along. Ciao for now. Remember, be safe, subscribe, like, and if you're welding, keep a hose nearby. It's always a good thing. See you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.